Hiya Nutters! What do you do when you feel low and you feel like you are only existing to work, to take care of kids, a house or your dog? Yes, indeed, you push through. You tell yourself this dog, cat, kid or even your boss is expecting me to do the job and you push through. But what do we do when it is about ourselves? Most of the times we don't do it. We tell ourselves, I can't paint now, I have worked too much today, I'm tired. But that means you are forgetting about yourself. You are actually letting yourself down. And don't get me wrong, I understand exactly where you come from, because you feel as if the life has been sucked out of your body and that you cannot set one step anymore. You sit down in front of the TV and zap along mindlessly, searching for some stuff that will slowly let you fall asleep, and you end up sleeping on the couch, and when you wake up you drag yourself to bed and fall asleep to do the exact same thing tomorrow. But what if you don't watch TV and grab a little notebook and draw some pictures? Or you doodle something, or you pick some colors and you take a coloring book. There are these fun mandala ones for grown-ups too. When I was talking about this with my daughters, the oldest one said to me, Mom, every day when I drive home from a busy day and I can only think and I only have to think about working out or going to the gym, I already feel like, no, I'm not gonna do that. But when I'm there and I start to do it, I'm always glad I did it. I need that to get my mind empty, to clear from all the stress, and when I come home, I will feel good and I can fall asleep easily. I don't work out. I don't like that at all, except for some swimming, but I know the effect is the same as for creating art. It helps you to focus on something else. And as soon as you get into that zone, you will no longer feel that you are tired or stressed out. Today I didn't feel like painting at all. I had my vaccination yesterday and I don't feel well. But I also wanted to create a still life. On Instagram there are 2 illustrators who have a page where they weekly post still lives. And I was so inspired by that I wanted to create one today. It was a little difficult, but I pushed through, and I'm pleased I did. I'm also a little scared that when I don't paint for a day, that I will not longer do it. So I pushed through, and I feel like I accomplished something. And now I'm sitting down and going to watch TV and do some crochet, because I can't sit still. My hands need to move all the time. I hope by seeing what I created today that you can see that this channel isn't so much about what I create, even though that's what I'm showing you right now, but it's more about the fact how creating art is a way to process our feelings and emotions. Because sometimes we cannot find the right words in order to talk about what is going on in our lives. I try to show you my art, only to be an inspiration for you to start to create too. I hope you will try to create art without being harsh to yourself and by allowing yourself to learn. Art is something you can enjoy every day, and even when it's not your day, it will give you the healing power hidden within. Because sometimes we don't have words for what we feel, and creating allows us to process those deep emotions. Again, even if your day wasn't that smooth and all you want is to get a drink and silly TV, I would say just try to create something. Anything will do. Try to get into that deep zone of creating where there is no sense of time anymore and you will feel uplifted afterwards, even when your end product won't be what you were aiming for. I think it's good to tap into your true feelings without judging yourself or being nasty. I often refer that as to talking to yourself as if you were talking to a friend, because we are way more compassionate with a friend than through ourselves. And sadly enough, we all have times that we need time to be sad, drained, or depleted, just in order to take care of yourself in the most daringly way. Well, that's it for today. I wish you a wonderful day and I hope you will enjoy the little things in life. Create something, enjoy your loved ones, and please, please be very nice to yourself. Well, that's it. Big hug from me and bye bye for now.